Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen approved used vehicle. Here today we have this stunning Volkswagen Transporter T30 panel van Highline, short wheelbase TDI 7sp DSG, presented in that much desired candy white solid paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have your 20-inch matte black Trident Alloy Wheels. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, we have your VW badging, and directly underneath is your front assist, and dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors. We also have a rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle. And here we have your roof rails presented in black, along with your black sidebar. We also have some transporter badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior of this panel van. Opening up the tailgate reveals ample of load space for manoeuvring in and out of, where we have lighting located at the top to increase visibility. As you can see, it is extremely spacious, along with some latching rings which helps with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your side sliding door. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls for the power folding heated wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we will touch on later on in the video, your dual passenger seats, along with your driver's seat, which has armrests located on either side to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drinks holders, and a grab handle allowing for easier access in and out of the driver's cab. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed, and to the right we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with a digital radio where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. We also have the choice of AM and FM there too. A quick look at App Connect now, where you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlists, and Google Maps navigation. We also have your navigation, which is extremely easy to use, offering you multiple route guidances to find your required destination. And finally, for your centre console, we have your front and rear parking sensors, along with your rear view camera, allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle. Directly below your centre console is your electronically controlled air conditioning system, your automatic DSG shift box, an additional cup holder with a couple of USB seats, and once again, panning back around the dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01772 911 356 or inquire online now. Thanks for watching.